Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all having an amazing day. Hope you are having an amazing week. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for everything, your support. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Today's video is all about cat makeup, and I did this in collaboration with Dilias Empire. I'll be leaving a link down below in order for you to visit our channel and see this collaboration that we did together. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? And if this is your first time visiting my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and please turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Watching, let me know what you think about this video down below. Give me a like, give me a comment, and please subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So let's get this ball rolling without wasting much of your time. So the eye pencil that I'll be using today, it's by Estee Lauder. You can use any one you have. That is the one I have at home, and I'll be going ahead and create the cat shape. Then we continue with the whole journey. I'm going to cut it above my crease. It might not look perfect, but it'll be alright. So when I said it might not be perfect, you see, they're not perfect, but don't worry, we're going to fix this, okay? We're still going to blend it anyway. So this is just the beginning of this creation I'm about to create. I've never done anything of such before, but there's always a first time, and it's always good to try something new. So I thought about linking it. Now I'm going to come with a gel liner by Clinique. This is True Black 02. Because I use a gel liner to fill in, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly blend in order for it not to be, too hard for me to blend afterwards. So I think it's better for me to stretch. Go back with the pencil and clean this place because it wasn't looking good. From this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil, I'm going to be taking the shade that is black in there. I'm going to use it to darken my lid more. From the Glam Reflection palette by BH Cosmetics, I'll be using this shade that is brown. I'm going to put it on my brow bone. So I'll be using the eyeliner by Case to line my lash line. So I noticed that the liquid eyeliner that I use, it's not showing through, like it's not prominent. I can hardly see it even myself. So I decided to go in with a liquid eyeliner by Broadway. Go ahead and take the same eyeshadow, the black one that I use from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I use it to smudge out the black eyeliner, eye pencil. using this pot paint by Wet n Wild. Yeah, so of course it's white, so I'll dab just a little bit. Now connect my nose to my lip. I'll be using the liquid eyeliner by Broadway to put my dots. I'll also use it to create my whisker. For my upper lip, I'll be using the liquid lipstick from my previous swatches. I'll put the link on this video for you to see. For my bottom lip, I'll be using the same, from the same collection, a brown shade. So you will all think the look is done, right? You think it's done, right? But sometimes I like to be extra and I like to give something a shot. Like, I like to challenge myself sometimes. So this is one of those days that I just want to challenge myself. I hope I don't mess the whole thing up. So wish me good luck. So from the paint pots by Wet n Wild, I'm going to be applying some of that over my body right here, and I'll be using a black paint as well. So I'm going to be combining the two together. Let's see how it's going to turn out. This I bought it from the store. It's just $1.29. Yeah, $1.29, and that's the black that I'll be using. So let's go for it.